At first glance, you'll see an African map, but when you look closely at it, you will see a child and a woman, and you can look at a child looking closely at the woman. And that's what all these companies are about, providing for the needs of children and making their life better. Think about how many flavors of ice cream Baskin Robbins serve. If you don't know, they serve 31. Now look at the logo and tell me what you see. Well, when you look closely at it, you can find an hidden 31 in the middle of the logo. And that's what this company is trying to tell you guys. 31 ice cream flavor, all hidden in the logo.
Logo is placed with a specific purpose in mind. If you look carefully, you will see that the arrow connects the letter A to Z, signifying that on the website you will find everything you need from A to Z.
I guess now you can see that Amazon is spreading a message with a logo.
Famous for their tortilla chips and accompanying dips, Tostitos has one of the best hidden message of all time. The two lowercase t's in the logo represent people holding a chip, and the dot on the top of the letter I serves as their bowl of salsa. Giant P in the Pinterest logo is more than to meet the eye. Of course it's quite literally the first letter in the brand name, but the way it is drawn is also like a push pin, and if you know Pinterest, then you know what pinning means in Pinterest.
The cool stuff about this logo is that no matter how you look at it, you'll still be able to read the word sun. If you turn into this direction, you can still read the word sun. And if you turn into the other way around, the word sun still comes alive. So that's it. Any direction, sun remain.